Hi guys, today I am going to be doing 3 a.m. slime, and it is, let me see what time it is, 3:24 a.m. in the morning. Now we are going to be making our slime, and I am quiet. I don't know why. Well, yes, I know why I'm quiet, because I don't want to wake my dad up, and the noise in the background's my kitten playing around. Yeah. Guys, I didn't tell you this, but that was just my friend. She went outside. That was my friend. She's having a sleepover tonight. She went outside because she brought her brother over. So, yeah. Let's get started on the 3 a.m. slime. Guys, like, 3 a.m. slime really isn't that real. So, yeah. It's like, it don't work. So, I'm acting quiet. I just don't want to wake my dad up because I might get in trouble. So, pour in some glue. Shoot, it's a little past 3 a.m., so I'm not so sure if it would actually work. I'm ready for the creepy dye. Well, first I'm going to mix it up, because usually everybody mixes it up at first. So, like, they mix it up. I don't know what I'm talking about. So, crap, I'm going to put this over here. So, no. And I'm going to put 1 drop of this in. And 1 drop of food coloring, so it is like pink colored, because like it's supposed to be pink. That was creepy. Ooh. Oh, that just fell. Look at that. Fine. I'm just gonna leave it on the ground. Let's just move. Guys, this is really creepy. Dude, that's creepy. Dude, what the crap? My kitten's in bed with my dad. Dude. Okay, I swear, that's my kitten right there. Batting that around. What the crap? What's that noise? That's actually really creepy, guys. Okay. Hi, kitty. Guys, this is actually creepy. I'm scared. Shoot. Okay, so I'm really scared because of that noise. I think it's just the refrigerator. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna make it like a real big red color. Dude, that's creepy. I just want to make the slime and go to bed. So guys, now we have our extreme things, so it like doesn't turn a weird color. I added in some extreme green to make it a purplish color. No. I don't know why I keep singing that. Dude, I thought the whole thing was gonna dump out. Oh, that was loud. I hope it didn't wake my dad. Cat! I'll call her Cat for some reason, but soon she's gonna wake my dad up. So I got OxiClean laundry detergent. That's heavy. Because, like, that's new. No. So now let's mix that up. Guys, just to tell you, go look at my video. It's called Roblox Map Powers. But it's kind of hard to find because I think I put it on private. I don't know. I think I accidentally put it on private. So, yeah. Whoa, it's turning into slime. Yeah, guys, nothing really scary happened. I mean, except for those parts that, you know. Oh, that's just the refrigerator, but that part where the cabinet shook, that was, like, weird. Really weird. Did you hear that? That wasn't that right there. Is something else. Someone calling me. Dude, it's creepy. I swear, this is real. Okay, that wasn't my kitten. She's like right there. Not back there. That's creepy. Let's see what time it is. It is 3:30, guys. Alright guys, this is not forming immediately, but I'm gonna kneel down. No, actually I'm gonna stand up. Why do I keep saying that? From Captain Underpants. I watched that and it was funny. So guys, I am going to keep... I went to go put her in my dad's room because she was like making so much noise. Alright guys, she's gonna no. She usually stays in my dad's room when I put her in there. So yeah guys, dude, that's creepy. What the heck? Okay, where did that come from? That's creepy. So, this is turning into... I thought my kitten was something, but... Whoa. Alright guys, so this... I don't think it's going to, like, turn into slime, but it's looking that way, just a little bit, but not full way. I just don't want it to be overactivated. I'm talking so loud. I'm gonna go see if my dad's up real quick. There's my cat. Oh, he's still sleeping, guys. I thought, because, yeah, he's obviously sleeping. So, nothing nothing scary really happened yet, so. Jeez, cat. You're gonna wake my dad up. This right here. She wakes my dad up. If she wakes my dad up, I'm gonna be mad. Guys, that's creepy. Dude, it's creepy. I thought there was nothing scary gonna happen, but I guess there was. Dude, no, I'm scared. Dude, that's scary. That's actually scary, really scary. Here's 3:35. Dude, you're gonna wake my dad up, cat. Alright, so this is super, super sticky slime, and which I like. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Oh my god, that's so creepy! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, guys, this is creepy. Guys, this is super creepy. Oh my gosh. Guys. Guys, this is creepy. Oh my gosh, this is creepy. Guys. Guys. Guys, this is creepy. Dude. Okay, guys. Okay. I don't know if you can see me. Alright, guys. Shoot. Guys. Guys. Oh my gosh. Guys. That was really creepy. I mean. Dude, that's creepy. No, oh my gosh. That's creepy. Guys. Dude. Guys. This is creepy.
What are you doing up, girl? What are you doing up? Just be in bed. You need to get to bed, girl. It's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. You crazy? What happened to the lights?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy? Okay, Daddy, stop. Daddy, stop. Daddy, really stop. Daddy, I mean it. Daddy? Daddy, were you doing that? Were you doing that? Are you turning the lights off?
Yo.
Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, that was super creepy. Now my dad's up. He's
Hey, Lee. You know what time it is?
Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. No, wait. Okay, wait till he comes out here. Just wait till it comes out here, and then I'll do it. Okay, guys, so this is sticky. I don't think he's gonna yell anymore. I don't know. It scared me so much. Alright, guys, so this is very sticky slime. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.